Look at that.
Yeah.
Just like we mend it now. Alright, so it's the day after Christmas. We're back on the Jeep again. Art is all gimped up, so he's in vacation mode. But today we're going to get the O.R.Is on it and finish the 3-link setup. We got all these cut and ready to weld together. We'll just get them where they need to go and tack them in. Drag over that. Weld these things together. One done. We'll let it sit there and think about what it's done and pull off. Hold this one up. We're gonna do a little smarter though.
Probably gonna weld those first and then put it in.
Right. Why'd you let me do that?
I was about to say something.
You were gonna?
Yeah.
That's good. You weren't gonna let me just totally ruin it. Alright. Turn it this way. A little bit of slop in between it. Finished. Let her cool down now. Oh yeah, it's gonna go. Alright, take this off because it's hot. That one fits. No.
Oh, they're tight?
Yeah.
Grind a little bit. Well, that's better than being loose.
It's not gonna be loose. Yeah, this one over here works good, but this one pulled.
Grind a little bit in the inside. The bolt go through it. I can feel the heat clear over here.
What's up, hot rodder? Look at that.
Yeah.
Just like we mend it now. Well, it's in there.
That's in there now.
Somewhat like that right there is what it's gonna be. Okay. We'll see. Yeah, it drew a line. I wonder if I just want to cut most of that off. I probably will. And then we'll put those braces off the side on the top of the frame. Yep. Perfect. Okay, we'll grind this up so it'll weld decent. Alright. I'll go cut these things. See anything wrong with that?
I don't see anything wrong with it.
Let's see if we angle those slightly like that. At full sag, they should go the other way, right? That's what we want. Okay, hold on. We screwed up. Go back down. That's why you just tack it. I was thinking backwards. Yeah, I was thinking backwards. So we got to take that off. That's got to come forward. Because when it goes down, it's counterproductive what we need. Come on, break already.
Well, if you didn't want
Smash
it
my
to,
finger. You have to go like right there.
ouch.
Almost cut me. Right. A little more. Right there. That's
it.
Yep, and we're not binding. We're good. Okay, you can let her back down. Okay,
Oh,
that's it. We should be able to weld this thing together. All right, we'll cycle it here. You can see the suspension work. That's full sag. I like it. We're winning.
What do we have to do now?
I gotta move a motor mount because it's in the way. I gotta move it up because it's hitting the 3-link bar. Some more room, and then make sure we like it and weld it all together and then build a panhard bar. Winning. That's the part we have to take that thing out of it, flip this over, move it up. So this will clear it because it's going up and contacting it. Then we should be done with that part.